How do I get my business site higher in Google? Part 8. Hey everybody, I'm Dr. Ty with Powerful SEO. Go to portbell.com and under Success Tips, click Join the Club, and you will be the first person to find out when new videos, new podcasts come out, and new articles. Today I'm talking about the article 29 Tips on SEO when Building a Website. You'll find the link to this article if you want to read it in the caption, notes, description, depending upon where you're watching it. And if you're on the podcast, hey, go to Powerful SEO, go to Success Tips, that's our blog, and you'll be able to read the article right from there, or at least get a link to it. Today I'm starting with number 16. And number 16, always remember that images must have alt information listed. Search engines have no idea what an image is, so they ignore it. Instead, they look for the text in the alt tag. You can put as much information as you want in an alt tag, but don't be spammy. Every app has its own way to put alt tags. The image below, for those of you that are watching the video, and again for the podcast, go to our Success Tips area. The image below shows where to do it in WordPress. Once you go into the media area, click the image you want and the information will show up on the right. Fill in the title and alt. Don't fill in the caption unless you want that text showing up on the page. The description area is optional. Number 20. Put keywords in headings, subheadings, and alt text. Search engines rank the importance of keywords depending upon where they are on your site. The least important spot is the alt tag of images, but that doesn't mean you can ignore this area. The most important is the H1 or main heading of your page. The second most important is an H2 heading, and so on. 27. Link to other websites you trust. Only link to websites you trust because your clients may click on that link. That can be important. And I'm going to go over buying links in a later one, but if you just send your link out to everybody, what if, somebody has a website that is fundamentally different from you, and I'm not going to get into politics. I'm not talking politics. But if someone has a website that's fundamentally different than what you believe in, you might get clients that have different core values than you have. And I don't really go into this a lot. But finding clients that have the same core values you do are generally going to be, you're going to be happier, your clients are going to be happier. So linking to sites that you trust and people that you trust are going to help you get more of the clients that you're interested in having. Hey, this is Dr. Ty with Powerful SEO. Go to portbell.com and under Success Tips, click Join the Club so you can be one of the first people to find out when these videos, podcasts, and articles come out. And of course, please, if you like this, click the like button, the thumbs up, whatever it might be for where you're watching or listening to. I really appreciate it, and have a great day.